Well, hello everybody. I'm John Zidar, and on behalf of PB Alerts, we've got those alerts you want, but we've got the training that you need. I'm here to show you why you should be watching my At the Top and Hot video series on YouTube. We do DD every day looking for hot, explosive stocks on the OTC market. And it's not about luck. It is about where you look, what you look for, and what you take notice of. And we took notice of a stock the other day, HYEG. We said it was going to explode. I thought it would give about 15 to 20,000%. Yes, I did predict that, but it went to 89,000%. Who knew? A $100 bill would have made you $89,000 from top to bottom. Anywhere in the middle was a big enough piece of pie, I'm presuming. So, what I want to do now is show you the highlights to that section of video the day before when I called it, and the video afterwards so you can see how it turned out. And then I'm hoping that you're going to start showing up day after day with me, because I would love for you to hit some of these as well. GEGP. Boy, that looks familiar. But you know, after a while, these kind of all blur together, all these tickers. Taking a look at this one, we have Hydrogen Engine Center. I like hydrogen. I think it's going to be king. EV's going to build all this fantastic stuff, and then we're going to pull out them chunky, heavy lithium batteries that we have to rape the earth to get, and we're going to put in these fuel cells that just make these two chemicals with hydrogen, make electricity and water. Boom! All the available energy we need without touching the earth. So what do we got here? Expert market is clean, dark and defunct, verified, looks great. Let's hope for some price action. Yes, today. Oh, okay, I like it. I do. Look, we were at 4 cents here yesterday. 4 cents. It has fallen down to 0001, 0002, 0003. It's starting to climb up after hitting the floor. Why did I like it hitting the floor? Because that's where the big gains start. You don't make big gains when you're already up. So this is already at 3. If it was to come up to 3 cents, you've got 10,000% gains. This would be about 15,000% gains, something like that. So $100 will bring you $30,000. Remember that. So this looks really nice. I don't know what the company does, and I don't know what their share structure is. Oh, wow. Boom. Look at this, folks. Look at that. 11 million. 11 million in the float. Unbelievable. They've only got half of all their shares on the market, and it looks like insiders and management own 40,000 or 40 million of them. About 80% of all the stock to insiders and management. It's either a scam or they really believe in it. But look, this is a big number. Normally I don't see a large number here. Now, you would think a stock would have thousands and thousands of people investing in it. No, some do, but most only have a few hundred out of the whole country, out of the whole world. Yes, unbelievable. So I'm excited about this one. I think this looks really good. We're going to take HYEG and jump over here to our charts. Drop that in right here and see what we get. Woohoo, we got a chart, and I'm surprised. Wow, it has really fallen. And I don't know, I wish they would tell you when these things went off the market, when it became dark and defunct, because this looks like it's trading okie dokie to me. But let's come in a little closer. There's your 5-day, 5-minute. And let's see. You can see that right there. Let's call that the low before the low. It fell all the way down here. It was at 4 cents. 4 cents was its normal low for the 5 days. Let's go back 1 month. Look, folks, it doesn't come down here. It never comes down here. Let's go back 6 months. Never. In 6 months, it has we're on the low bubble right now. Okay, it was at 0001. I think we're at 0003 actually. Yes, 0003. Folks, I'm excited. I'm excited because this could do a serious bounce. Now, consider this. If you put in $100, let's say you buy it at 0003. You buy it for $100. You get yourself I think that's 30,000 shares, or is it 300,000 shares? I can't remember. But in either case, it's $100. Let's say it falls to the floor. Let's say it does the absolute worst and it never ever comes back up. I don't think that's the case, but let's just say, what would you lose? $100. If it drops down to 002, you'd lose 1/3. You'd lose $33. Now, nobody wants to lose any money, but my point, $33, $50, even $100 is not going to hurt us, break us, or kill us if we lose it. No, we don't want to lose it. I'm not saying gamble. But if $100 can bring you $1,000 or $10,000, isn't it worth it? So that's what we're doing. And I'm taking HYEG and I'm putting it on our list because I like it that way. Let's see, how long have we been running here? I don't want it to keep you all night. I know you got dinner to eat. These companies aren't in trouble for any other reason but not being current on their financial filings. That's right. They have to file their 10Ks, which is their annual, 10Qs quarterly, or their PIN disclosures, which aren't audited, so they have to have an attorney letter come with them as well. When they get those filed and are current, they come back on the market. And that's when these things are running hard. They are running, well, folks, we did this yesterday. Yes, we did. And we put one of them on the chart to watch, which was HYEG. And I said, folks, all the boxes are ticked on this. It's got a low float. All the filings are in. The attorney letter is in. It looks like it's ready to go. Watch this in the morning. At the bell, it took off. And at 17 minutes after the bell, it was over 89,000% gains. Yes, folks, it started off at 0003. You don't believe me? Come here, I'll show you. All right, so we're going to show you the proof on Thinkorswim's trading platform. You can get this free too. Just sign up for TD Ameritrade. That's free, and you can get this entire platform for free. It would cost you hundreds of dollars anywhere else, and you can do everything I'm doing. All right, here's the proof in the pudding, folks, right there. HYEG did 1.8 million shares. Right now, it finished at 53,000% and is at, let's bring that chart up. There you go, folks. She is at 16 cents right now. She hit a high of 25. Right down here, now it says that it's at 0001, but in our DD yesterday, we saw on the expert market, this sold and brought the price up to 0003. So that was the bottom. And up to here is 89,990%, something like that. Now, chances are you weren't going to get in at the very bottom because these sort of stocks, first off, you can't put in a GTC, good till cancel order, and just say, well, just wait till it comes on the market and it'll just take off. They won't take your order. They won't accept it. So we have to wait for them actually to go live, to go back into the market, look for the door to open, and try to be one of the first people in the door. I know that's tough. But when you're looking at gains of 10, 30, 80,000%, a little extra effort may be worth it. So let's just say, for example, you wanted to get into this, you saw it go live. All right, you see it was at 03, but it started moving fast. Now, where did it jump up to? See, it's already up to 009. Now, this is on a 5-minute. Let's back down to 1 minute because that's how you should be trading in the morning. If you're looking for an entry, you should be looking at the smallest frame of time that you can so you know every jiggle and joggle of the price. 8 minutes in, and it was already at 9 cents. 7 cents. So it really jumped, folks. I can't tell you how you get into these when there's nothing in there. For an example, if it's at 0003 and I know it's going to move fast, I'm going to go 10 times higher. I really am. I'm going to put in my price at 003 and hope that as the price rises, I'm in there, I get my price in there before it passes it, and it can grab me and take me along. If I miss it, there's just no catching up to it. It's gone. It's just moving too fast for you to get ahead of it. So this is a very tricky play. there's a very small window of opportunity, and you have to be paying attention. It's almost like a drag race, watching the light signal change. You've really got to be on your game. Do I expect this to continue running? No, not really. And even if it did, it's going to be, you know, regular gains, 9%, 11%. I don't think you're going to get anything huge out of this. But we're going to go. Now I can hear most of you. You're all thinking that I just got lucky, or it was a fluke, an accident. You know, I did say it was going to go up 15 to 20,000%. What kind of person says any stock is going to go up 15 to 20,000%? Honestly, that wasn't luck, folks. It was reading the situation, reading the information, and reading the charts. And here at PB Alerts, that's what we do, but more importantly, what we want to teach you. So please, I'm going to be looking for you at my videos on the top and hot, or any other videos I bring out, because I want to share new tech, big gains. I want to share interesting information with you. I got better things to do than waste my time making worthless videos. So trust me, I'm going to look for you, you're going to look for me, and we're going to profit together. Why? Because the more we know, the more we grow. See you, folks.